excited. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Watch how easy this is.
This is so easy. So I've heard. It needs a little more air.
Okay, here we go.
Ready? The jaws.
Well, it looks like it's ready to use.
Let me get.
Bob,
One
should we take one to Alaska?
There's breezes in Alaska that might. No, there's 2 chambers, so I've got 1 chamber filled. Let me get the other one. Okay, here we go. Okay, there it
Okay,
is. And then, now with all this air, you roll it up. Yeah, not so good. Woohoo! Okay. And you roll it up.
so
And it's supposed to be a sofa.
you're going to have a pillow at least.
Uh-huh. Right, see? Look at that.
I'm afraid of look
The end was so deep in there. You snap these 2 ends together. I never make it the end. Okay, here we go. Now we just hook this together and
Voila.
look. Wait a minute. There we go.
Hey, that's not bad.